Prati, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay. How many months have you completed here?
Sir, I have completed 9 months here.
9 months. And what are you doing in the model structures?
Sir, I have completed the structures and I'm doing the get and the past continuous tense.
And which month have you got the best judges post?
I have got the judges post in the ending of the November.
This means that how many months there was?
So this is the first month and I have completed 7 months as a judge.
Okay, start.
So firstly, I would like to greet a very wonderful good evening to respected sir, ma'am, and good evening everyone. Good evening. Thank you for the response. So once again, you all are welcome by me to the RK Scrappers Learning Channel with our educator Sanskriti Chaube. So today we are going to learn one topic of physics which is related with our eyes. So have you ever wondered that how can we focus on any object? Let's suppose there is a pencil in your hand and you are able to focus only into the pencil and the other objects besides it will seem blurred to you. It happens with everyone because of the power of our eyes to focus on some object. Yes, Barman is trying this thing as we can focus on one object and the objects beside it will seem blurred to us. So it is happening because of the one reason which is power of accommodation. So let's learn about it. That what is power of accommodation? So it is the capability and the capacity of our eye to focus on one thing and to blur the other thing. Because our eye has one lens inside our eyes which is known as biconvex lens, and our eye have the power to focus on one thing and to blur the other thing. And sometimes it used to happen with us also that we are watching to a particular thing and the rest of the thing will appear blurred to us and we will not be able to focus on the other thing. This is because of the power of accommodation, and that's the simple definition, the power and the capacity of our eye to focus on one thing. And next is all about the defects of eyes and defects of vision in our eyes. There is three kind of defects, which is myopia, hypermetropia and presbyopia. Let's learn about myopia in today's class. So what is myopia? When it is a very common defect, I guess there is one girl who is wearing glasses, Sanya, who has the glasses of the power, I guess, right? You have the glasses of power or you are just wearing it for without okay, she has the glasses of power and I can guarantee that her power and her glasses is of the lens and the corrected lens of myopia, means she has the defect of myopia in her eyes. And I can say that the 99% of the young age adulthood and the children have the defect of myopia if they are wearing the glasses, because it is very common defect in our eyes. So what is myopia? The myopia simply means that we are unable and the human eye is unable to watch the object which is far from it. Like we are able to watch the object which is in front of us approximately 25 to some centimeter distance from us, but if something is far from us, let's suppose 100 to 200 meters, so at that time we are unable to watch it clearly, and this defect is known as myopia. And let's watch it through a diagram that how it works. So our eye is formed of some of the things. I'm not here to explain the structure of the eye. Let's learn the main part. Like here is the mirror of the biconvex lens inside our eyes, and the image formed in our eyes in the end of the eye, which is known as the retina, where the image is formed. And whenever the image is forming into our eyes, then we will be able to watch any object. So what happens in the normal eye, the rays are coming from the far distance and it is meeting at the retina and the image is forming, and then we are able to watch the objects. But in the myopic eye, means the defected eyes, the rays are coming but it is meeting before the retina. Means the rays are not meeting into the retina, it is meeting before the retina. At that time the image is again image is not forming on the retina, that's why we are not able to watch the far distance. And for the correction of it, we need one lens of opposite of it. Like in our eyes there is a lens of biconvex lens, and for correction we need the opposite lens like biconcave lens, or we can say directly like concave lens. By putting the concave lens, what happens, how it works, like in the concave lens, whenever the light ray passes through it, so it diverges and it experiences a divergence, which means it is coming from the straight path, and after touching into the lens, it diverges, it changes its path, and in the divergence it changes its path here, and as the ray was meeting before the retina, will meet into the retina after the putting the concave lens before our eyes. Like we can apply the glasses and we can apply the lens directly into our eyes, which is known as contact lenses also. And this was the correction of the myopia, and this was the defect of myopia that I have took for explaining to you all. There is two more defects about which we will learn in the next class. Till then, we continue with the Artist Campus Academy. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.